Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch between single and multi-level home on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. In order to do that, go into your robot, go into the map editing button, and now select the map. Click on it and click on Manage Map. Now, make sure the home layout is set to either single level or multi-level. Of course, you will need to manually move the robot between the single level and the first level, like the ground level of another floor and so on. But it will be able to recognize the floors that way easier, and it will make it all just more efficient. So if you have a multi-story home, then make sure to set it to multi-level, and if you have a single story, set it to single level. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.